Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove multiple login accounts on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram, and then you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on this icon to see all the login accounts. So how you can remove that? You simply need to click on three bars on the top right, and here you need to click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to scroll down, and in the bottom you can see log out all accounts. Click on that option. And if you want to save login information of some accounts, so I want to save login information of these two accounts, then you simply need to click on logout. So this is the process. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.